To show that putting more stem cells in circulation can have an effect on diabetes, I need to prove two things. I need to prove that our stem cells can go to the pancreas naturally and become insulin-producing pancreatic cells. And if this is a natural process, the second step is, if I can put more stem cells in circulation, can I stimulate this natural process to a point where it has an effect on diabetes? So a very ingenious studies in which scientists took male mice, they coupled the gene for insulin to the gene for green fluorescent protein. So that means any cell in these animals that makes insulin, if I shed a light on it, it will glow green. They irradiated female mice and injected stem cells from the male mice into these female mice. These female mice now have in their bone marrow male cells with the Y chromosome, and if any one of them goes to the pancreas and starts to make insulin, I shed a light on it and it will glow green. So if you look at that cell, it dies for the Y chromosome, so it was a stem cell in the bone marrow. If you shed a light on it, it has transcribed the gene for insulin, and if you use a red dye for insulin, it is producing insulin. That study alone demonstrates that stem cells can leave the bone marrow, go to the pancreas, and become insulin-producing cells in the pancreas.